What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? It's your girl, Kanina. Welcome back to another friendly reminder. Y'all, it's Monday. It's Monday, and we are back with another week. Starting off another week. I hope you guys are accomplishing your goals and sticking to your plans and becoming a better you. Today, we're going to talk about the role of hydration, y'all. Y'all, I got my water right here, y'all. Yeah, I hope y'all got y'all water out here, honey. It is freaking hot. Right now, I'm sitting in the shop and child, it is 5:30 and it says 100 degrees outside and then it says sunny. So what's really going on, All right, so we want to go ahead and get it together because honey, get our water because we know that water is what? It's the elixir of life that sustains our existence. You know what I'm saying? Often taken for granted, hydration is a fundamental pillar of overall health and well being. So, in this video, we're going to dive deep into the importance of hydration. We're going to get a perspective on it. We're going to make sure we know the significance and we're going to explore the impact of adequate hydration on our bodies. Our bodies is already like, they say we're like 70% of water, but we still have to be hydrated. So, grab you a glass of water or a bottle of water or whatever and sit back and let's get through it. Let's get to it. So, the foundation of life, y'all. Imagine a world without water where parched throats yearn for relief and bodies suffer from the absence of this life sustaining liquid. You know, just as our planet relies on water for its very existence, our bodies are composed of approximately 60% of water, emphasizing the crucial role hydration plays in our overall health. So, to truly grasp the significance of hydration, we must reframe our perspective and view it as the foundation of life itself. Nourishing the body, just as a plant needs water to flourish, our bodies require proper hydration to function optimally. Water is essential for nutrient absorption, digestion, and the transport of vital substances throughout our bodies. It aids in regulation of body temperature, lubricates joints, and cushions vital organs. In essence, water nourishes every cell, tissue, and system within us. Energizing the mind. Hydration is not limited to physical health. It's it also plays a significant role in mental well-being. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, poor concentration, and diminished cognitive function. Proper hydration ensures that our brain receives the necessary oxygen and nutrients, enhancing focus, mental clarity, and overall cognitive performance. So, now we're going to go over the impact of hydration on physical health. But let me take a sip of my water because, honey, y'all, it's hot. Okay. And I am in the shop right now, baby. And honey, there's no air in here. There's no air. There's no AC. There's no fan. Child, it is hot out here. Okay. So water helps you. It helps you eliminate the waste products and toxins from your body. So when you sweat, you're releasing water. So you have to make sure you're hydrating properly so that you can get those electrolytes and everything back. That salt that you need, to burn, I mean to like sweat. So whether you're an athlete or someone who enjoys regular exercise, hydration is vital for optimal physical performance. Adequate water intake helps maintain electrolyte balance, preventing muscle cramps and fatigue. It supports joint lubrication, reducing the risk of of injury. and during physical activity. So it'll help you basically lubricate your joints. Maybe if you suffer from like, what is that? Arthritis, that could probably be a reason. Maybe I'm not a doctor, but maybe you're not as hydrated as you think you are. So by staying hydrated, you can maximize your endurance, strength, and overall athletic performance. It also helps you maintain a healthy weight. It's a powerful tool for maintaining a healthy weight. Often, thirst is mistaken for hunger. So it's like sometimes when your stomach is growling, you know, you want to make sure you want to ask your body, am I hungry or am I just thirsty? So that can lead to unnecessary snacking and overeating. So by staying adequately hydrated, you can differentiate between true hunger and thirst, preventing mindless calorie consumption. So water, also helps boost metabolism and aids in the breakdown of our fat cells, supporting weight loss efforts. So we're gonna go over the power of hydration for mental well-being. Now, it's our brains are highly dependent on water for optimal function. So dehydration can impair cognitive abilities, leading to difficulty in concentrating, memory lapses, and decreased alertness. So staying properly hydrated, you can enhance your cognitive abilities, improve focus, and maintain mental acuity throughout the day. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get through this. I'm gonna get through these notes because y'all, it's hot, honey, honey, it's hot. Okay. I mean, believe it or not, hydration can also impact our mood and emotional well being. So you be dehydrated, you're just irritable. It can contribute to irritability, mood swings, and feelings of fatigue. You don't want that. You want to stay hydrated. So by keeping your bodies hydrated, we support the proper balance of neurotransmitters and hormones, promoting emotional stability and a positive outlook. So it's good to make sure you have enough water every day, every day. So now we're gonna go ahead and go over some tips and tricks. So the first is you want to drink enough water. The golden rule of hydration is to drink enough water throughout the day. So while individual needs may vary, a general guideline is to consume at least 8 cups, 64 ounces of water daily. So increase your intake if you are physically active or in hot climates. Like now, I'll drink my big purple bottle and I'll finish that. And if I'm hot still, or I might drink some more. But I'm also gonna experiment with like fruits, like juicing, like watermelon and cucumber, because cucumber cools you from the inside. Watermelon, any kind of melon cools you from the inside. And also, you want to listen to your body. Pay attention to your body's thirst signals. Don't wait until you feel extremely thirsty. You want to drink enough water regularly to stay ahead of dehydration. Make sure you include hydrating foods. Like I said earlier, the cucumber. So it's good. Like, okay, certain fruits and vegetables, they have a high water content. So they can contribute to your overall hydration. Like I saw a video of this guy. He hadn't drank water in like years, but he climbed trees to get the coconuts. He ate a lot of fruit, a lot of watermelon, a lot of water enriched foods. So like watermelon, cucumber, oranges, strawberries, you want to incorporate those type of foods into your diet for an extra boost of water. This man never drank water, but he got it from his fruit and his vegetables. So you also want to make it convenient. Carry a reusable water bottle wherever you go, making your hydration easily to get to. Like you want to get you a water bottle, make it, take it with you. Set reminders on your phone on your app, if you have apps like I have a drink water app. It's on my exercise app, and I want to see if I can find it for you guys, but it's on my exercise, y'all. It's gonna be all right. Anyway, it's on my exercise app, and it reminds me to drink water every day. So you'll hear something like a something, and that's like water, or like a pouring water into a cup or something, and it'll say drink. Time to drink some water. So I'll drink water, and then I'll press. I drank it and stuff like that. So you want to make it convenient. You want to convenient to you. You want to make it easy for you. So and enhance it. If plain water feels monotonous, then infuse it with slices of citrus fruits, cucumbers, mint leaves, or refreshing twigs. You might want to throw some what's that? The lemon and lime in there. Herbal teas. You want to infused water. It can also add a variety of flavor to your hydration. There are also like different types of water. Like I wanted to try the water hint to check that out. But if you guys try that water, let me know. So I've heard of that. So I think that's a good water. It's like a hint of flavor. So yeah, if you want to try that, that'll be a good thing if you can't drink water straight up. So you want to remember that hydration is the key to unlocking vitality, nourishing your body and revitalizing your mind. By reframing your perspective on hydration and understanding its critical role in your overall health, you can tap into the power of water and embrace the benefits it brings. So raise your glass to the thirst for vitality. Your body and your mind will thank you. So, with that being said, to wrap it all up, y'all, adequate hydration is essential for our overall health and well being. So we frame our perspective to view water as the foundation of life. We can appreciate this vital role in nourishing our bodies and mind if we frame it as that. From optimal body function to from physical performance to cognitive abilities and emotional balance, hydration impacts every aspect of well being. By following simple tips and tricks, we can ensure we stay properly hydrated and reap the myriad of benefits of the life sustaining elixir. So let's embrace the power of hydration and unlock our full potential for vitality and wellness. Cheers to our health, y'all. All right, so it's been your girl Kanina with this friendly reminder: drink more water, stay hydrated, y'all. It's hot out here. People are dropping like flies. Rest in peace, Pokey. We love you. Stay hydrated, y'all. All right, it's your girl Kanina, and I'm out. Peace.